Hey guys, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable transcripts on YouTube so you can follow along with videos using text. This works great for studying, learning languages, or just understanding content better. Let's get started. First, open YouTube on your browser and play the video you want a transcript for. Now below the video, click on the three-dot menu next to the Save and Share buttons. From the drop-down, click Show Transcript. This will open a transcript panel on the right side of the video. You'll see timestamps next to each line of dialogue. If you want, you can click on any line, and the video will jump to that exact moment. If the video has auto-generated subtitles, the transcript will still appear, but it might have minor errors. Now, if you don't see the option to show the transcript, it could be that the creator disabled it, or the video doesn't have subtitles or captions available. Also, note that this feature is only available on desktop. It doesn't work on the mobile YouTube app. And that's it. That's how you view transcripts on YouTube videos. Super handy for note-taking or reviewing key parts of a video. If you found this useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future how-to videos. Thanks for watching!